Shopping online, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of shopping online. Whether you're new to the internet or just looking to improve your English, this video will guide you through the ins and outs of online shopping. Let's dive in. Online shopping is the process of buying goods or services over the internet. It involves visiting a website or an app, selecting products, and making a payment. Unlike traditional shopping, online shopping can be done without leaving your home. It's convenient, fast, and offers a wide range of products. 1. Finding a website. To start, you need to find an online store. Popular examples include Amazon, eBay, or specific brand websites. 2. Creating an account. Most sites require you to create an account. This involves providing some personal information and setting up a password. 3. Browsing products. You can search for specific items or browse through categories. 4. Adding to cart. When you find a product you like, you can add it to your shopping cart. This doesn't mean you've bought it yet. Think of it as holding items in a physical shopping basket. 5. Checking out. To buy the items in your cart, you go to checkout. Here, you'll enter shipping information and payment details. Advantages. Convenience. Shop anytime, anywhere. Variety. Access to a vast range of products. Price comparisons. Easily compare prices across different platforms. Disadvantages. Security risks. Risk of fraud and scams. No physical inspection. You can't touch or try the product before buying. Shipping time. Delivery can take time, and shipping costs can be high. Cart, a virtual basket for your items. Checkout, the process of paying for your items. Shipping, the process of delivering items to your address. Return policy, rules about returning a product if you're not satisfied. That's all for today's lesson on shopping online. We hope this has been an informative journey into the digital world of commerce. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these new terms and concepts in your daily English. See you in the next video.